Hi guys, I'm a bit too late to start recording, but I can still talk about what we're doing with AI, right? So it's a video about AI. This is what we have today, right? Created by my friend, curated by me. That's maybe a good expression, right? Created by him, and I told him what to change, etc. Now, I want everything to have a similar look, so you know it's part of the ecosystem, it's part of Kiro. So if you go to github.com, for example, there are links in the website, but not particularly this one. I think I've left it out, because here we have the Calamares stuff and all that, and for users, that's not that interesting, but it is interesting if we start creating our own distribution. So in here is the Kiro repo, and what we did here is basically show you, yes, it's part of the system by creating this, right? This look, let's go all the way up, that look, that look. It gives you the feeling, yes, it's part of the system, it's part of the project. And another one is the GitHub from Erik Dubois, the Nemesis repo, which is also part of the system and is also a website hosted for free, I might add, on GitHub, right? So the Nemesis repo for Arch and Kiro is here with some documentation. So those things, and there's a third one that is actually also part of our system, and is the one that we've even given you a screenshot in Calamares that you see, oh yeah, it's part of the learning process. Because of any distro out there, you download it, you install it, you're almost happy with it, but not fully happy with it. So this is the script, bunch of scripts, and they are still called ArcoLinux, and they will forever and ever be called ArcoLinux Nemesis because it's just a name. If you look down here, it's basically a bunch of scripts to run on Archcraft, on Area, on Artix, on CachyOS, on Carly, Laya. Things like Linux Mint will all work on there. So it's basically an all-rounder. But deleting this particular name is not interesting, right? If you go up here to YouTube and you type ArcoLinux Nemesis, you get 150 hits. So a name change would be disastrous. And all of them apply their talk about Zenmod I saw. And here is a playlist. This is the playlist. 40-ish, but not always this is specific about, here we are in Arch, pure Arch, and we say, okay, let's start with pure Arch, and then we get our scripts in, and then we run things. So it is super important to know that yeah, with scripting, remove this, add that configuration, overwrite this, overwrite that. So sure. That idea, that's where he's busy now. So we have an asset, well, here it is called. The assets are the logo and the screenshots and what else, things that we have on the website, basically, to show you those assets. We can reuse them, probably, right, on other, well, these are websites in a sense, GitHub websites, but websites. And now we're moving everything. I told him maybe we should scroll up. If we can go to all the way, page up, all the way up. We just looked at the script to propagate assets. So I have a script that says I want to have both repos. That's where it started, the Kiro repo, the Nemesis repo. Make them similar, right? Make them the same. Not similar, the same. Propagate the same as CSS and code and images and desktop images, anything, right? And now it's the time to create a third one. So, okay, Okay, and it's gonna look at the code. Okay, short answer, yes, you can edit. And then where we're talking, we want to rewrite, and I want a complete website for this thing. So let's see if it can create on the basis without me intervening, right? I don't want to say anything. No work for me, all for my assistant. Let's create a website, not just a one-pager, but a template with menus, right? I don't know what he's going to do. Maybe Bluetooth separate and printing separate, and maybe he's going to extract things from the Arch Wiki. We can say that, right? Go fetch information there and look it up on the internet, and etc. So I don't know where we're going to end up. I just want a website that's for this ArcoLinux Nemesis script that is basically telling people, oh yeah, if you are on Linux Mint, you can use it. Yes, it's called ArcoLinux, right? But it's just a bunch of scripts. The name doesn't really matter. So we want to do all kinds of choices again, right? What do you want to do? Here, each option spelled out in plain terms. So do you want to put the folder in a docs, which is basically what I decided in the end. I wanted first to have this, but then I had to change the name. It should have been, I couldn't call it ArcoLinux Nemesis. I should have called it, I don't know, just Nemesis. And then they put it on a separate folder. That would be confusing, I thought. So we're going to, for this particular link, ArcoLinux Nemesis, and so on, right? So decision time. And what is he doing? And now you can follow along what he's going to do. A package JSON here. Erik Dubois. Okay, go. Now we're up to speed. So the goal is a free, beautiful website with menus where I have to write nothing. And he's gonna be my copywriter. I didn't tell him that. I told him previous I should be my website developer. Maybe at some point in time I should also, or later, if everything is finished, now be my copywriter and go check the text and see that's accurate, see that's up to date, stuff like that. Do a check with ArchWiki or any other authoritative websites and make sure that you have at least 3 websites that concur the same thing, something like that, along those lines, right? It's basically talking to a human being. You would say this exact same text to somebody who needs to make your assignment, right? If you say, well, I teach, right? So if I can't say what I want to the students, I will never get what I need, right? It's important to be clear that that's the structure and that's the content, and I want pictures and I want a video and stuff. I might be clear. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. All right, now from time to time, I'm gonna shut up and read, because we're here, and you probably as well, to learn. And I do it on the fly. I'm levitating this particular moment and thinking more. A little bit bigger for you. And if you're wondering what this beautiful desktop is, it's Ohmychadwm. It's a fork from Chadwm and a fork from DWM. And then we coded it with Claude, some new C code in there. And now I'm a happy guy. Inspiration came from Ohmychadwm, a little button up here to say all kinds of things, right? You can create themes on the fly. Wallpaper comes in, click, 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 boom, you got a new theme. The only difficulty is give it a name. And all the rest is automatic. All right, SEO done. We'll decide that later. I did not ask that on my own website. Is this SEO proof? We'll do that later. I did ask copywriting. So one of the videos I told you that. Be my copywriter and go fetch go evaluate the website. And valid things turned up. The landing page, full hero, what is Nemesis, quick start, what can you do, desktop screenshots with Zoom, support the distros teaser, the YouTube series, and a learn CTA.